Welcome back. Today we're going to clean some windows. I'm going to show you how to clean them with the squeegee, how the professional window cleaners clean them, and then I'm also going to show you how to get some upper second story windows with this Windex outdoor stuff that's actually pretty good. So just fill up your bucket with some hot water and then a good squeeze of dish soap. Don't worry about measuring it or anything like that, but you need the dish soap to clean the windows, so make sure you have enough, but don't overdo it because then it's too sudsy. I'm using the Aqua Blade to clean the windows. This is one of my favorite window cleaning, it is my favorite window cleaning tool. It's a squeegee, but if you just have a regular squeegee and a cloth, you can do the same thing here. This one's just awesome because it has a drip tray, so it catches all the drips and it just cleans the windows so well, doesn't leave any streaks or anything. First things first, and it comes with this little scrubber thing. So first things first, you just want to get the scrubber wet, and it's more about the suds than it is about getting everything soaked, so kind of wring it out with your hand, and then we're going to scrub the window down. I always scrub the windows down at least 2 times because it's like lather, rinse, repeat. If you just do it 1 time, you're going to have dirt left everywhere. Get all the way up into the corners. Okay. I guess your first scrub could be kind of wet if you want it to be, but if the wetter the windows are, the more chance of you having streaks, you guys. All right, and then all you do with the Aqua Blade, this isn't an Aqua Blade tutorial, it's just a window cleaning tutorial, but you just bend the blade and then you pull down and see how it catches all the drips. So it is sort of an Aqua Blade tutorial, but look how clean this window is with the dish soap. So if you have a regular squeegee, it'll work too. You just might have more drips and streaks to worry about. And if you have any drips at the top, I'm just using a polish cloth. You could use paper towel if you don't have any, but just get right into the corners. And then look how clean the window is. For the upper second story windows at my house, I'm gonna use this Windex outdoor. This is actually a really good product. It's misunderstood. You have to, once you've sprayed your windows off, you need to rinse and rinse and rinse and rinse until there's no suds. It says it right on the back, but lots of people don't have the patience to do that. And also leave your window screens in when you do this because it cleans the window screens amazingly. So it's like 2 birds with 1 stone. So all you do is connect it to the bottle and then you need a hose. You're gonna turn it on and then we're just gonna, you turn it to clean. Oh, what's happening? Oh, was I supposed to rip this thing off or something?
Yeah. Probably.
Yeah, whoops. Okay. So see how I've got all those suds up there, you guys? Now what I need to do is turn over to rinse and rinse it until there's no suds. If you don't rinse this super well, you guys are gonna get spots, like residue left over. So that's why I'm saying rinse and rinse and rinse, and then you'll be flabbergasted with how clean your windows are. See how there's still suds running down? I love to clean my windows in the spring and in the fall. That's the best time to do it. And it's like, once you clean your windows, you guys, you're always so surprised at how nice and bright it is on the inside of your house and how nice it looks when you walk up to your house. So always do this. I would definitely do it once a year. If you can do it 2 times a year, good. And then if you're gonna sell your house, absolutely do it.